Okay, so we're going to learn to say what I like, what you don't like, and we're going to be extending it with reasons. Now, this takes you back to the very first lesson when you started to say because there is a hurricane, because my Spanish worries me. So basically, we're now going to continue giving reasons um, using two different words. We're going to be using porque and ya que. So, one of the things that we have to consider here is whether what you like is one thing or many things. So, what we're going to be uh, taking into consideration is actually we're going to consider three things. The first thing is going to be, do I like one thing or is it many things what I like? Those two things. And then also, do I like an action? If what I like is an action, then we're going to have to say something else. So, if we have me gusta el cine, I like cinema, me gusta el cine, we just go with me and we go with gusta, right? But then if what I like is going to the cinema, then we need the infinitive, yeah? Me gusta ir. And in that case, I need ir, which means to go. Yeah, me gusta ir al cine. Okay, so right now we're focusing on things that we like and whether we're talking about one thing or many things. We're not talking about things that you like to do, and that is the difference. Because when it is about things that you like to do, it's me gusta plus infinitive. But in here we go, me gusta el cine, me gusta el colegio, me gusta la música, yeah? And you can say me gusta or no me gusta. It actually is pretty straightforward, right? I like, I don't like. Me gusta, no, oh, sorry, no, or me gusta el cine o la playa. What else have we got here? La música. Okay, so we've got el or la, whatever it is that comes after, has to be in singular, and it doesn't matter if it's masculine or feminine. Okay, then if it's plural, we're just gonna go no or me gustan, and so what we're gonna add in here is that additional n. Now, I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you it's actually not a huge problem if you don't say the end. People can still understand you, and that's what you want. If people can still understand you, then don't worry about it. You're not sitting an exam, you're just learning how to communicate. So, no me gustan las pizzas. I mean, I don't know what kind of weird person you would be, but it's all accepted. Las pizzas. No me gustan los huevos, eggs, los huevos. Oh. Yeah. And so basically we go me gusta el whatever, me gusta la whatever, no me gustan or me gustan las and los. So in this video, you are just basically distinguishing between one thing or many things. And that's basically it. I like, I don't like. Now, if it is an action, just know that you need something else called the infinitive, and you're going to be able to identify an infinitive because it ends in AR, ER, or IA. So, me gusta hablar español. Me gusta comer chorizo. Me gusta dormir. I like to sleep, or I like sleeping. Okay, so that's very straightforward in here. And then you can just extend by saying porque es, because it is, whatever. That's obviously an opinion. Now, the one thing you need to make sure is if we choosing here something masculine, then your endings need to match. So if it's el cine, es bueno, es chulo. Yeah. So we have a masculine option here. We also have a neutral option there. If we say, oh, we don't like it because it is boring or it's silly, then it also needs to be masculine. Excuse me. It also needs to be masculine. Okay. So how do you know it's masculine? Because it ends in O. So basically, we're just making it agree. Yeah. So it's el cine aburrido, el cine bueno, el rugby bueno, chulo, el tenis aburrido, tonto. Okay. If it's la música aburrida, la música tonta. And then in plural is the same, los animales buenos, las arañas buenas, las consolas de juegos aburridas, etc. So we're just making it match with whatever it is that you've previously said.